This is a Sapphire dial for Seiko NH70 and NH72. While sapphire is a very hard material, it is not as malleable as other dials that are typically made from metal. Therefore, we need to be careful when handling this dial, or we may risk cracking the sapphire. Just like how we usually handle any other dials, please refrain from touching the front of the dial. As this is a transparent dial, we need to keep the bottom of the dial spotless too. Please handle the dial wearing finger cuts, from the side, like this. You can clean the dial with Radical if needed. Please take note of these two holes on the movement. They correspond to these two holes on the dial. Place the dial onto the movement, aligning the two dial holes with the dial holes on the movement. We can then place the dial feet. With a screwdriver, you can carefully rotate and lightly press down on the dial feet until it is snugly holding the dial in place. The force needed is minimal, so if dial feet feel stuck, remove and realign the holes. If you need to remove the dial, pry the dial loose like this. Alternate between the two spots so you don't remove the dial at too steep of an angle. There you have it, the Sapphire dial is now installed.